Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So AMC, GME, and the overall market, guys. Let's take a look at it, see what's going on, because AMC is steady pulling back. AMC is sitting at $7.38, down over 7.5% on today, guys, and it's steady creating newer lows. So as we see, GameStop is at $24.76, down over just 1%. Very small compared to what AMC is down, but we know something drastically just happened with AMC as well, so let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what's going on. But before we do, let me let you guys know exactly how the market psychology goes about as well. Like, we have multiple different markets. All these markets is basically in sync together. They only in sync and going to make one another move as the other one is moving if something big happens. Meaning if, you know, a new record low happened, or a new record high happened, or, you know, something that didn't happen in the past 5 to 10 years happened, then it will make the markets that it's in sync with do and respond the way the main market that caused the reaction is responding. Basically what I'm saying here is, we got right here, Wall Street takes a beat as sinking British pound rattles market. U.S. stocks were trading mixed after the British pound crashed to a new record low against the dollar on Monday morning. So basically, British pound went to a new record low against the dollar. That's basically a big move. Like, that's something that didn't happen in a while, and that's why it's going to cause markets to move in sync with what's going on over there in the Forex market. So the Dow closed Friday at its lowest level since 2020 as investors brace for more rate hikes that could put the economy into a recession. These nans. The euro also hit a 20-year low on Monday after Giorgia Meloni claimed victory in Italy's general election. Boy, if these nuts don't leave me alone. So if we take a look here, guys, we know that APE sank towards new low after AMC discloses a deal for sale up to $1.4 billion worth of shares, guys. So you see exactly what AMC is doing. Adam Avery and them think they smart, guys. What they doing is utilizing retail investors to get them as much cash flow and capital as possible. We already saved them from going bankrupt, being for the fact that their peers already went through this, but they're so confident enough to know that that won't happen to them because they got too much capital, too much cash flow. Even if the movie business doesn't do as it was before, they is so invested into keeping their business afloat, they're utilizing that capital to invest in other businesses like the gold and silver mining company to be able to keep them afloat. And I'm pretty sure if they made that move, they would do something else outside of the box to also keep their revenue extremely high, guys. Also, with what they doing with the kiosks, trying to sell popcorn, with the business like that, and you know, they doing a lot of different creative things to keep their business afloat. So what they doing here is now making even more money off retail investors. So shares of APE preferred, known as APEs, dropped 7.8% towards a new low in the morning trading on Monday after AMC Entertainment disclosed a distribution agreement to sell up to 425 million APEs at current prices. The movie theater chain could raise up to about 1.4 billion from the sale of more apes. So they're going to actually make even more from this sale than they did in the past with the whole AMC movement or whatnot. So now it's all coming out. Basically, they did this. We was trying to see who was going to get the better end of the stick once they did this special dividend with ape. Basically, they are utilizing all the apes in the community to just run their bag up, to get them right and not worry about if your bag get right or not. That's what I'm seeing from this, guys, because they about to raise $1.4 billion in a blink of an eye like that, whenever it took them, you know, months and months and months and months to raise that $1 billion the first time. Now they came out with that plan to do the 8 special dividend, and now they're able to raise 1.4 million just like that, because it haven't been too long ago since this has been disclosed. So as we see, that's my take on it now. AMC theaters to sell up to 425 million 8 preferred shares after the exhibition giant issued its AMC preferred equity units to retail investors. It has struck a deal with sale agents Citigroup Global to begin selling them. So they already selling, guys. So like we know, I'm gonna wait for more information to be disclosed, but that's my take on it, guys. That's what I believe is going on. But like I told you guys, the lower and lower the market pull back, that's the greater and greater it's going to slingshot back up, and the quicker it's going to recover, guys. We're going to see, you know, the same thing we seen a month ago when we called it. Individual securities and assets shooting up over 30-40% in a single day, and that's insane, especially when it's a large cap company. They usually don't move like that, but whenever you well oversold isn't even a word in this case. The market is way oversold. So you already know, guys, what to do. Like I told you guys, definitely load up. Be prepared during these times. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. I love y'all. We out. And God bless you.